things that you would typically identify with. You know, there's some groups like if y'all know Slipknot, that's
Need
way
it for
apart
the
from
way.
what we're watching right now.
Bean.
Well, like if y'all know Slipknot, you know they got those custom percussions in Slipknot that just bang like the metal tubs and drums and stuff like that. And so I mean, you know, thinking about kind of what percussion is, it's amazing what
Menina.
he does with his fingers
Hi,
while he's
Mr. Noonan.
playing through. Because dude just kind of like taps out
Hi.
usually a beat. On this one, he's going a little bit